Hi, I'm Courtney and I'm a professional esthetician. I get to work with people every day on finding the best products in the skincare industry. And I'm really excited to talk to you today about one of my favorite products and by far my favorite toner, the TeMana Noni Brightening Toner. I have Jess that came here today. She's going to help us to learn how to use the toner so you can get the best cleanse out of your skin. Are you excited to be here today?
I'm very excited to be here.
Thanks so much for coming.
Yeah.
Now, I want to make sure that we get everyone on the same page and catch everyone up to the same speed and talk about what a toner is and what a toner does. Now, a toner is a very important part of the cleansing process in your regimen. It's liquid-based, so it's able to penetrate deeper into the pores than a cleanser or the facial refiner is able to. Now, in no way does that mean that you can replace a toner with any of the other cleansing products in your regimen. They're all kind of best friends, and there's really good parts about all of them. They all work really well together. And one of the things that the toner is used for is to penetrate into the deeper layers of the skin. Now, cleansing into the deep layers of the skin is really important because that's where collagen and elastin are produced. Collagen and elastin are what keep your skin firm, healthy, and youthful. So the more collagen and elastin production you have, the younger your skin looks. It's a win-win for everyone, right?
Yes, definitely.
After you cleanse your face and after you exfoliate with a facial refiner, then you're able to tone your face. And the reason why I love the TeMana toner is because it has noni in it. Now, noni brightens and really illuminates the skin. It gives it this healthy and youthful glow. And the best part about it is that it's moisturizing your skin while it's cleaning it, which is unheard of when you're using toner or astringents from, the local drugstore and you're working with an over-the-counter toner. Have you ever used a toner before and it's just left your face feeling really tight?
Yes.
And stripped of all of its nutrients?
Mm-hmm.
The TeMana toner is not going to do that because of the noni inside of it. It actually nourishes and moisturizes your skin while you are using it, and it doesn't feel stripped of all of its natural nutrients and moisture that it needs in order to thrive and to be healthy. Now, this toner is also amazing because it acts as an exfoliator. When you have buildup of dead skin cells on the skin, it can make your fine lines and wrinkles look more prominent, and nobody wants that. It can also help get into the deeper layers of the skin where blackheads build up, which is dirt or oil, makeup. So it's really going to help alleviate the issue of blackheads as well.
Oh, good.
Now, thankfully, you've already cleansed and exfoliated your face with our cleanser and our facial refiner. We're going to go ahead and jump right into the toner. To use the toner, I love to use cotton rounds because they act as a physical exfoliator, meaning that they are a product that you use while cleansing your skin to help slough off or remove those extra dead skin cells. The toner acts as a chemical exfoliator, which means it's an actual product with ingredients that are helping to remove those dead skin cells. So when you marry the two together, you get the optimal exfoliating and removal of your dead skin cells by using a physical exfoliator as well as a chemical exfoliator together. And that's why I love using these cotton rounds because they're really easy to use and they help with the physical exfoliation. So go ahead and take a couple of these. We're going to apply about 4 or 5 pumps because it's not going to dry out your skin. It's not going to dehydrate it. It's nourishing it while it's removing those things. Now, while you tone your face, you're going to go upwards.
Okay.
We want to work against gravity. So you can go ahead and with the cotton round, swipe upwards as you are applying exactly like that. The reason why you want to swipe upwards and using any upward movements while you're cleansing and taking care of your face or toning it is because gravity is pulling on your face all day long, causing premature aging. So we want to do whatever we can to help reverse that effect. We never want to pull on our facial skin. It's very fragile. We want to always apply and move upwards when we're applying the toner.
Is this good for the
That's
neck too?
exactly how you're supposed to do it with the neck as well. Again, move upwards so that way you are not going to deal with saggy, droopy skin on your neck. It's really going to help prevent that. Now, what the toner is doing while she's applying it is it's balancing the skin's pH level. A lot of times then your skin can be too alkaline because of the products or the environment that you're in. So the toner is going to help bring the pH level back down to its natural pH, and that's going to help breakouts from occurring. How does your skin feel while you're applying the toner?
It feels good. It's just like, it's a very light layer on it, which is nice, but it is moisturizing. It's not drying it out, and so I keep wanting to go back over little spots to make sure I'm getting it all on there, because it's very light.
I love that feeling about it too, and I love it because even after you've cleansed and exfoliated your face, you're still having some oil and parts of your skin that you weren't able to reach, just because this is liquid based, and so it's able to penetrate a little bit deeper. And it's amazing to see how and what your face accumulates throughout the day and throughout the night.
No, it's really nice that way. And so once you've applied it with the cotton, do you not want to go over with your hands? Okay.
No.
Because the oil's on them?
Yep, exactly. Okay. That's a really good question. And it's very common for people to want to remove the toner or rinse the toner after they're putting it on. That's because you're using a toner that doesn't have the nourishing, moisturizing effects of Noni. And you're feeling like, okay, my skin feels really tight. I either need to put something on or I need to wash something off. You're able, with the TeMana toner, to just leave the toner on, let your skin absorb it, and do not wipe your face, do not rinse your face afterwards. It's not going to harm your face.
Okay, so just leave it. Let it
leave
sink
it.
In. Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
If you have any questions, then please reach out to the person who shared this video with you. They'd be able to help you with whatever it is that you may need. Also, you can ask your questions to us on our Facebook page. Lastly, you can go to www.morinda.com to purchase the TeMana Noni Brightening Toner today. And thanks so much for being here with me today. I'm really excited for you to start using the toner every morning and night in your regimen, and I'm excited for you to see the results. And thanks for coming and being here. Your skin is glowing and radiating, and I just love the way that it looks.
Thank you, and thank you for letting me try it.